Bell & Company was started in 1955 by my grandfather, Fred R. Bell, Jr. Bell & Company is located in Mobile, Alabama. We're in the industrial and marine and mechanical supply product business. Being a small company, we didn't have an IT budget to have an expensive implementation or dedicated personnel. So I needed a software that was user-friendly, straightforward, and everybody could work with. Working with ASI has been a great experience. From the start, I really felt like they were here to fully support us. Our customer base is here along the Gulf Coast. Before Acumatica, we had no way to access the local resources on the network. Now we have access to all of our customer information, technical documents, as easy as just picking up the phone, using the app. With Acumatica, I think we got the capability of an ERP system with the simplicity to let not only me, but our whole sales force work within the system and use the full capability.